Hey there, if you're interested in a Surface device, you might have seen new terms like NPU and AI accelerator. It's fair to say you might be thinking, well, what are they? What does an NPU do? Why does it even matter to my experience on a laptop? If those are the questions you're thinking of, then don't worry. That's what we're here for. An NPU or neural processing unit is an additional piece of tech that is essential for AI tasks that require higher processing power. It helps your device handle everyday repetitive workloads faster by sharing them between the other parts of your PC. For example, by taking on AI-related tasks, it frees up the CPU, the brain of your PC, to do other things. The Surface Pro 9 with 5G is a laptop built with a neural processing unit. It is designed for on-the-go connectivity with super fast 5G, long battery life, and the best of Microsoft with AI-enhanced experiences. It adapts to your needs, allowing you to use it how, when, and where you want. And when we talk about the NPU specifically, the core experience you can find on the Surface Pro 9 with 5G that is powered by the NPU is Windows Studio Effects. Windows Studio Effects is a set of AI-powered video and audio enhancements that help you make the most of your environment. With automatic framing, your camera can follow you as you move, such as allowing you to stay in shot as you move around the kitchen during a call. It allows you to be on camera at your most comfortable and keep the focus on you even when you're moving. Voice focus and background blur is another way of keeping the focus on you as well as what you're saying. Thanks to the NPU, you can keep noises from interfering with your voice, like the dog barking. It also helps you to prevent others on a Teams call seeing your background, which may matter quite a lot if you're in the kitchen and forget to do the dishes. Lastly, there's eye contact. This feature makes it look like your eyes are meeting the people you're talking to as much as possible. The NPU is used to make it look like you're looking directly into the camera when really you're reading from your notes. So there you have it. NPUs help your Surface device maximize your everyday. By powering Windows Studio Effects, you can keep your meetings productive and make your connections more meaningful. All delivered by a laptop designed by Microsoft.